In this video, let's look into the configuring of Google Chrome for security. So first, let's open up the Google Chrome, and here in the options, we would see the settings button, and under the settings option, so we could go on and check out the different settings that we could do, but we would want to click on the advanced settings option. So here we could see all the other different options that we have with respect to the privacy. So if at all we would want to clear all the browsing data or the history or the files related to that, we could go on and select or check all the boxes that we would want to be deleted. So once we clear all the browsing data, yes, we can go back to the settings and see other different options. So here it would be the exact settings that we would want to implement in terms of different entities. Let's say if it is image or JavaScript or downloads or flash or location or anything as such. By default, most of the settings are set to the recommended ones, wherein the browser would always ask you if at all it has to perform any actions, but you could go on and change the option however you need or however you want. So we could make the changes as per our needs. And once we are done, we could click on the finished button, or we could just move out of this box. Now let's look at a couple of other different settings over here. So here now we see the HTTPS or the SSL settings, wherein we could see the different certificates that are being trusted by the browser. So whether it be the intermediate certificate authorities or the root certificate authorities, and we have a couple of trusted publishers and we have untrusted publishers. So this is one of the way, and now we could go on and check out the Incognito feature in Google Chrome. So wherein we could go on and basically use the browser without being tracked in terms of the cookies or the sessions. So let's say we get into the gmail.com. Here we can see that we've already got the page loaded, but let's go on and see how if we are being tracked with respect to the history or cookies or anything as such. So when we go and check out the history, we see that there are no traces of us browsing this particular website. So this was about configuring the Google Chrome for security.